Welcome to my YouTube channel, The English Progress.
What time do you usually wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
How do you start your morning?
I start with a workout and then have breakfast.
What's your morning routine?
I brush my teeth, shower, and make coffee.
When do you usually go to work or school?
I leave for work at 8 a.m.
How do you commute to work?
I usually drive, but sometimes I take the train.
What do you do during your lunch break?
I usually eat lunch and take a short walk.
What's your typical afternoon like at work?
I handle meetings and complete tasks on my to-do list.
How do you relax after a busy day?
I like to watch TV or read a book.
What's your evening routine?
I cook dinner, spend time with family, and then prepare for bed.
What time do you usually go to bed?
I go to bed around 10 p.m.
How do you stay productive throughout the day?
I make a list of tasks and prioritize them.
Do you follow a specific workout routine?
Yes, I work out 3 times a week.
What do you do on weekends?
I run errands, catch up on chores, and relax.
How do you manage your time effectively?
I use a planner and set reminders for important tasks.
What's your bedtime routine?
I read a book and then turn off all screens before bed.
How do you keep your home organized?
I clean regularly and have designated places for everything.
What's your routine for preparing meals?
I plan meals in advance and do meal prep on Sundays.
How do you handle stress during the day?
I take short breaks and practice deep breathing exercises.
Do you follow any morning rituals?
Yes, I meditate for 10 minutes each morning.
How do you wind down before sleep?
I listen to calming music or practice yoga.
What's your routine for getting ready for work?
I shower, dress, and have breakfast before heading out.
How do you balance work and personal life?
I set boundaries and make time for hobbies and family.
What do you do to stay fit during the week?
I go to the gym and take evening walks.
How do you manage household chores?
I divide them throughout the week to avoid getting overwhelmed.
What's your daily skincare routine?
I cleanse, moisturize, and apply sunscreen every day.
How do you prepare for the next day?
I set out my clothes and plan my schedule in advance.
What's your routine for grocery shopping?
I make a list, check the pantry, and go shopping once a week.
How do you stay connected with friends and family?
I call or text regularly and plan get-togethers.
What's your routine for handling work emails?
I check emails in the morning and before I finish work.
How do you handle unexpected changes in your routine?
I stay flexible and adjust my schedule as needed.
What's your strategy for managing daily tasks?
I use a to-do list and set specific goals for each day.
How do you make time for hobbies?
I schedule time during the week and on weekends.
What's your routine for maintaining a healthy diet?
I eat balanced meals and avoid processed foods.
How do you ensure you get enough sleep?
I stick to a regular sleep schedule and create a restful environment.
What do you do to stay motivated during the day?
I set small goals and reward myself for achieving them.
How do you plan your day?
I create a daily schedule and prioritize my tasks.
What's your routine for exercise on weekends?
I usually go for a long run or take a fitness class.
How do you deal with daily responsibilities?
I break them into manageable chunks and tackle them one at a time.
What's your routine for handling work deadlines?
I plan ahead and work on tasks in advance to avoid last-minute stress.
How do you stay organized at home?
I use storage solutions and keep things tidy.
What's your approach to maintaining a work-life balance?
I set clear boundaries and make time for relaxation and activities I enjoy.
How do you unwind after a hectic day at work?
I take a warm bath and listen to relaxing music.
What's your strategy for staying productive throughout the week?
I set weekly goals and review my progress regularly.
How do you manage your personal finances?
I track my expenses and create a budget.
What's your daily routine for staying informed about current events?
I read the news in the morning and catch up on updates during breaks.
How do you stay focused on your daily tasks?
I minimize distractions and take short breaks to stay refreshed.
What's your routine for keeping your workspace tidy?
I clean up at the end of each day and organize my desk regularly.
How do you balance family time with personal time?
I schedule dedicated family time and personal time separately.
What's your approach to daily self-care?
I make time for relaxation, healthy eating, and exercise.
How do you plan your weekends?
I mix relaxation with activities like hiking or visiting friends.
What's your strategy for managing your daily workload?
I prioritize tasks and delegate when possible.
How do you keep track of appointments and deadlines?
I use a calendar app and set reminders.
What's your routine for managing personal projects?
I set goals, create a plan, and track my progress regularly.
How do you stay active during the day?
I take short walks and do stretching exercises.
What's your daily routine for maintaining mental health?
I practice mindfulness, stay connected with loved ones, and take breaks.
How do you handle daily stress?
I use relaxation techniques and make time for hobbies.
What's your routine for preparing for a big event?
I plan ahead, organize tasks, and review everything the day before.
How do you stay motivated to stick to your daily routine?
I remind myself of my goals and reward myself for staying on track.
What do you think about space exploration?
I think it's fascinating and important for our future.
Do you believe in the Big Bang Theory?
Yes, it's widely accepted by scientists.
How do you feel about the discovery of new planets?
It's exciting and could lead to finding life elsewhere.
What do you know about black holes?
They are regions in space where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape.
Are you interested in genetics?
Yes, understanding DNA can help cure diseases.
Do you think artificial intelligence will surpass human intelligence?
It's possible, but it depends on how we develop it.
What's your opinion on climate change?
It's a serious issue that needs immediate action.
Have you ever heard of quantum physics?
Yes, it's a branch of science that deals with very small particles.
Do you think time travel could ever be possible?
Maybe, but it's still a concept in science fiction.
What do you think about the possibility of life on Mars?
It's intriguing. We might find evidence of past life there.
Person 1. How important is renewable energy to you?
It's crucial for reducing our carbon footprint.
What's your view on gene editing?
It has potential but needs ethical guidelines.
Do you believe in extraterrestrial life?
Yes, the universe is too vast for us to be alone.
What do you think about the human brain?
It's the most complex organ, and we're still learning about it.
How do you feel about space tourism?
It's exciting, but only for the wealthy right now.
Are you interested in learning about the human genome?
Yes, it can reveal a lot about our health and evolution.
What's your opinion on electric cars?
They're a step forward in reducing pollution.
Do you think humans will ever live on other planets?
Possibly, but it's still far in the future.
How important is scientific research to you?
It's vital for progress in all fields.
What do you know about CRISPR technology?
It's a tool for editing genes and has many applications.
Do you think robots will take over jobs?
Some jobs, yes, but new jobs will also be created.
What's your opinion on renewable resources?
They are essential for a sustainable future.
How do you feel about space debris?
It's a growing problem that needs to be addressed.
What do you think about the exploration of the deep sea?
It's as important as space exploration. We've only scratched the surface.
Are you interested in nanotechnology?
Yes, it has the potential to revolutionize medicine and engineering.
What do you know about the theory of relativity?
It's Einstein's theory that explains how time and space are connected.
Do you think we should invest more in renewable energy?
Absolutely, it's the future of energy.
How do you feel about nuclear energy?
It's powerful but comes with risks.
What's your opinion on climate science?
It's essential for understanding and combating global warming.
Are you interested in space telescopes?
Yes, they allow us to see distant galaxies and stars.
What do you think about the Human Genome Project?
It was a groundbreaking achievement in biology.
Do you believe that science can solve all problems?
Not all, but it can solve many if used wisely.
How do you feel about the future of robotics?
It's promising but needs to be controlled responsibly.
What's your view on space colonization?
It's an interesting idea, but it's still science fiction.
Do you think renewable energy can replace fossil fuels?
Yes, but it will take time and investment.
Are you interested in studying the stars?
Yes, astronomy is a fascinating field.
What do you think about the role of science in medicine?
It's crucial. Science drives medical advancements.
How do you feel about the science of artificial organs?
It's incredible and could save many lives.
What's your opinion on the conservation of natural resources?
It's essential for future generations.
Do you think we can reverse climate change?
We can mitigate it, but complete reversal may be difficult.
How do you feel about space agencies like NASA?
They play a vital role in advancing our knowledge of the universe.
What's your view on the search for extraterrestrial intelligence SETI?
It's a fascinating quest that could change our understanding of life.
Do you believe in the multiverse theory?
It's an interesting hypothesis, but it's still theoretical.
What do you think about the role of scientists in society?
They are essential for innovation and problem solving.
How do you feel about the discovery of new elements?
It's exciting and adds to our understanding of chemistry.
What's your opinion on the importance of science education?
It's critical for developing the next generation of thinkers.
Do you think technology is evolving too quickly?
Sometimes, but it's also opening up new possibilities.
How do you feel about space missions to other planets?
They are essential for expanding human knowledge and potential.